Molo Tommy, wamkelekile kwakhona kwi-YouTube channel yam IsiXhosa Connect. Hi friend, welcome back to my Xhosa Connect YouTube channel. Igama lam ngu Robin, kodwa ungandibiza Tishalakazi. My name is Robin, but you can call me Tishalakazi. Can you say Molo Tishalakazi? Ewe. Namhlanje sizofunda ngoluhlu lonobumba abalandelelanayo. Today we are going to learn about the alphabet in IsiXhosa. Asiqale, let's begin. You are going to say each letter after me. A. B. Soften your lips completely. B. Tip of your tongue behind your front teeth, and the air must come in, not go out. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. The K is an explosive, strong sound. You do not want to feel air coming out onto your hand when you say the K by itself. L. M. N. O. Make an O round shape with your mouth. The P is also an explosive popping sound. No air is coming out onto your hand. So it's just, the Q is a click. Tip of your tongue on your top hard palate. Make your tongue firm and you pull it away fast. R. You are going to roll your R. R. The T is also a strong, explosive sound when you say it by itself. No air on your hand. U. V. W. This is the side of your tongue between your side teeth. It sounds like you're making a horse go faster. Y. Z. Now I'm going to give you some words, phrases, and sentences to practice saying your letters. You can say each word, phrase, or sentence after me. Ready? A is for amanzi. Amanzi is water. B is for bamba. Bamba is the verb for catch. Is cela. Cela is the verb for please or to make a polite request. So you can say ndicela ipeni. I request a pen. Or please can I have a pen? D is indaba. Indaba is the noun for news. E is enza. Enza is the verb for do or make. So you can say, ewe uyenzile. Yes, you did it. F is funda. So you can say, funda incwadi. Read the book. G is geza. Geza is the verb for being a little bit crazy or silly. So you can say, Haibu, uyageza. That means, no, you're crazy. But make sure that you only say it with a smile on your face and to people you are very familiar with. Otherwise, it can be a little bit insulting. H is hamba. Hamba is the verb for go. So you can say, masihambe. Let's go. I is isitishi. Isitishi is a station. J is jika. Jika is the verb for turn. like in the Mikasa song, Jika. Oh, Jika, my baby, Jika. We have sikelela. Sikelela is the verb for bless, like in our national anthem, Nkosi sikelel iAfrika. Except we drop that last A when we are singing the anthem because it gets merged into the iAfrika. IsiXhosa doesn't like to have two different vowels sitting next to each other, so it gets merged into the iAfrika. So we say Nkosi sikelel iAfrika. L is for landa. Landa is the verb for fetch. M is for mamela. Mamela is the verb for listen. So you can tell one person to mamela, listen. N is for neta. Neta is the verb for rain. So you can say kuyaneta. It is raining. O is for ama-orange. Ama-orange are oranges. Is for impundu. Impundu are your buttocks. Is for kuba. Kuba is the verb for swim, but like the athletic kind of swimming. R is for uronda. Uronda is the traditional round IsiXhosa hut. S is for sondela. Sondela is the verb for approach or come closer. T is for tofu tofu, which is a descriptive word which means soft. U is for ulwandle. Ulwandle is the sea or the beach or the ocean. V is for ivatala. Ivatala in IsiXhosa is a watermelon. W is for wola. Wola is the verb for hug. Is for xoxa. Xoxa is the verb for discuss. So here's a tongue twister for you. You can say ixoxo liyaxoxa. That means the toad is discussing. Y is for iyeza. Iyeza in IsiXhosa is medicine. Z is for zama. Zama is the verb for try. So you can say zama nje. Just try. And if you are ready to just try learning IsiXhosa with me, then send me an email to robin@xhosaconnect.com and we can discuss in my email inbox the best way for you to start learning IsiXhosa with me. Or you can check out the links in the description below for the links to my courses and other ways you can go about learning with me. There is my Xhosa Building Blocks course, which is my main comprehensive foundational IsiXhosa course where you learn the real foundations of IsiXhosa that you need to connect and have real meaningful conversations with people in IsiXhosa. I also have my Simple Sentences mini course, which is a really quick, short, bite-sized, punchy course, which is focusing on helping you to build simple, meaningful sentences for conversation in IsiXhosa. If you are not sure on what you would like to do and how you would like to learn with me, then please send me an email with the word connect to robin@xhosaconnect.com and we can discuss a little bit further what exactly would be suitable for you to help you start learning in IsiXhosa with me. I have been learning IsiXhosa for way over 15 years and been teaching it for more than 10 years. And my whole passion is just to help people to learn IsiXhosa, to be able to connect and bridge those gaps between people through the use of languages like IsiXhosa. So if you are really wanting to bridge those gaps, make connections with IsiXhosa and be able to communicate, then I would love to help you learn IsiXhosa. So send me an email, check out those links in the description below. And Chomi, well done, friend. I hope you enjoyed learning the alphabet in IsiXhosa. And sobonana kwakhona kamsinyane. We will see each other again soon. Bye bye, Chomi.